Hey everyone, today I am excited to guide you through an adventure into creating amazing social media posts using Canva Part 2. Whether you are just starting or already familiar with creating online content, this tutorial is designed to give you useful skills to make your social media posts stand out. Adding text, links, and final touches. Step number 1. Crafting compelling text components. Begin by understanding the power of written content in social media. Learn how to create text that not only informs but captivates your audience. Explore the art of storytelling through text, incorporating essential elements such as event dates, promotional offers, and strategically place external links. Step number 2. Effective copywriting techniques. Delve into the nuances of effective copywriting. Learn how to craft sentences that resonate profoundly with your audience. Discover how to seamlessly weave event dates and promotional details into your narrative, ensuring that every word contributes to a cohesive and impactful story. Step number 3. Incorporating external links. Explore the inclusion of external URLs in your content. Understand how these links act as a gateway to further information. Learn the process of linking text to external URLs, enabling your audience to access additional details with ease. Ensure that these links seamlessly integrate into your design, creating a harmonious blend of information and aesthetics. Design your content by adding text, images, and any other elements you want to include. Ensure that the text you want to link is included in your design. Select the text that you want to turn into a clickable link by clicking and dragging your cursor over it. After selecting the text, look for the toolbar at the top of the Canva interface. Click on the link button, usually represented by a chain icon. A pop-up window will appear where you can add the URL you want the text to link to. Paste the URL into the designated field and click Apply or Insert, depending on the Canva version. Confirm. Once you have added the URL, the text should now be a clickable link. You can test it by clicking on the link text within the Canva editor to ensure it directs to the intended external web page. Step number 4. Unleashing the power of visuals. Understand the significance of visuals in social media content. Explore the variety of visual tools available in Canva, ranging from captivating imagery that narrates a story to infographics that simplify complex information into visually appealing formats. Step number 5. Selecting and curating visual elements. Learn the art of selecting visuals that complement your message. Explore evocative photographs, attention-grabbing illustrations, or personality-filled icons. Understand how each visual contributes to enhancing your post, visual appeal, and reinforces your brand's identity. Step number 6. Integrating text and visuals seamlessly. Understand the importance of integrating compelling text components with captivating visuals. Learn how to create a harmonious synergy between text and visuals to elevate your post impact. The goal is to create an immersive experience that deeply resonates with your audience, fostering a genuine connection beyond mere interaction. Publishing and scheduling. Step number 1. Accessing Canva's direct sharing feature. Explore Canva's intuitive interface that simplifies the sharing process. Navigate to the direct sharing option within Canva, allowing you to publish posts seamlessly on various platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and more. Look for the share button in the Canva interface. It is usually located in the top right corner or within the menu options. Click on the share button to access the sharing options within Canva. Canva will display various social media platforms where you can directly share your design. Choose the platforms where you want to share your design by clicking on their respective icons. Canva might offer options to customize your post before sharing, such as adding captions or selecting the post format. Click on each platform to explore specific customization options available within Canva. Review your design and settings to ensure everything looks as desired. Step number 2. Unlocking Canva's Pro scheduling feature. Canva Pro users can access the scheduling feature within the Canva editor. After designing their content, users can find the scheduling option in the top toolbar or within the Share Export options. Once the scheduling feature is accessed, users can choose the date and time where they want their design to be published. They can specify the exact timing for their post to go live on their preferred social media platforms. Canva's scheduling feature supports various social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and more. Users can select the platforms where they want to schedule their post. Users can customize their scheduled posts before they go live. This includes adding captions, hashtags, mentions, and other relevant details specific to each platform. Canva allows for platform-specific customization, ensuring posts are optimized for each social network. Step number 3. Crafting a strategic social media presence. Mastering Canva's publishing and scheduling features marks a pivotal step in the strategic curation of your social media presence. It transcends mere content creation, encapsulating a fusion of artistry and calculated planning to sculpt an impactful digital identity that resonates profoundly with your audience. By delving into the depths of Canva's functionality, you are not just creating posts, you are crafting an immersive experience. Each design becomes a storytelling canvas, meticulously constructed to captivate, inform, and engage your audience on multiple levels. The process of content creation, coupled with Canva's intuitive scheduling capabilities, allows for an orchestrated symphony of posts. It is not just about being present, it is about being consistently present at the right moments. Canva's scheduling feature grants you the power to wield time strategically, ensuring that your content meets your audience when they are most receptive, thereby maximizing engagement and impact. Through the seamless integration of creativity and strategy, you are architecting a digital landscape that communicates your brand's ethos, values, and narrative. This isn't merely about sharing content, it is about fostering connections, cultivating trust, and establishing a distinct identity in the vast expanse of social media. Moreover, Canva's tools empower you to maintain an organized and structured approach to content dissemination. You are not just scheduling posts, you are crafting a narrative arc, weaving a storyline through your posts that resonates cohesively and consistently over time. This continuity is the essence of a compelling brand story, fostering familiarity and loyalty among your audience. Embrace the creative potential inherent in Canva's features, allowing each scheduled post to be a brushstroke on the canvas of your brand's digital portrait. Experiment with visual aesthetics, refine messaging, and explore the intricacies of post timing to create an experience that is not just informative but emotionally engaging. By leveraging Canva's publishing and scheduling tools, you are not merely a content creator, you are an architect of digital experiences. This transformative journey isn't just about mastering tools, it is about understanding your audience, adapting strategies, and creating a narrative that leaves an indelible mark in the digital realm. Presenter, congratulations! By harnessing the power of Canva's versatile tools and functionalities, you have embarked on a transformative journey, transcending mere ideas to craft impactful social media posts that resonate profoundly with your audience. You have embraced the canvas of possibilities within Canva, painting vivid narratives that captivate, inform, and engage your audience. It is not just about creating posts, it is about orchestrating an immersive experience. You have mastered the art of storytelling through visuals and text, creating a symphony that resonates with your audience on a deeper level. Your creations are not just static posts, they are vibrant stories that connect, inspire, and evoke emotions. As you continue on your creative voyage, remember that the horizons of creativity stretch endlessly. Your creative potential is boundless. Keep exploring, experimenting, and refining your designs to forge a unique brand identity that leaves an indelible mark on the digital landscape. Let your creativity flow freely as you navigate through the myriad features of Canva. Dive into the depths of design possibilities, constantly innovating and adapting to stay at the forefront of creativity. Embrace change, adapt to new trends, and infuse your designs with fresh perspectives. Stay inspired on your creative journey. Draw inspiration from various sources, be it art, nature, culture, or everyday experiences. Embrace the beauty of continuous learning, seeking inspiration from the world around you and infusing it into your designs. Remember, your journey with Canva is not just about creating content. It is about crafting experiences, fostering connections, and leaving a lasting impression. Each creation is a testament to your creativity, and dedication to delivering meaningful content that resonates with your audience. As you step forward, continue pushing boundaries, challenging norms, and evolving creativity. Your commitment to innovation and your audience engagement will be the cornerstone of your success in the ever-evolving landscape of social media. Furthermore, if you found this video informative and crave more additional insights, we encourage you to consider becoming a subscriber to our channel. Your support is what keeps this channel running and enables us to continue delivering valuable information. And also, I'd love to hear your requests for future episodes. We are excited about connecting with you in our future videos. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.